Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, fake websites, trolls, or jagoffs. And this is Mega Ultra Super Burghunboxing as we open a multiple number of items here. Okay, and this is from cosplayspirit.com in Overland Park, Kansas. Now, I have a problem. I have misplaced the scissor. So, let's see if I can get this thing open with a screwdriver. Oh, that works, sort of. And I know what some of these things are, but until I open them, I don't know what's in each individual box or bag or whatever. I gotta get a box cutter for this stuff. I got one, I just gotta dig out of a drawer. But a screwdriver will work if you know how to do it. Alright. And once you get past all the tape. Okay, that fell out. There's the inside. I'll throw that in there. And this says retrothrifter.com. Thank you for your purchase. And, well, this is for the 2009 MacBook, and this is the Applications Install DVD. So there it is. And it's always nice to have these. I have a number of installation disc and OS disc for computers I don't even own anymore, but they get hard to find after a while. So this will allow me, when I get my CD drive, to restore the MacBook once I put the hard drive in. So that's that one. I'll put that over here. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay safe out there. And have a great morning or a great afternoon. In about 3 minutes, it's going to be noon here. Bye-bye for now.